Hello everyone. Today we'll be solving IIT JAM 2020 question number 1. So let's get started with the question. We're given a sequence Sn which is 1 plus minus 1 to the power n upon n for n belong to natural numbers, and we're asked some questions about it, right? So the first is whether it is monotonically increasing and is convergent to 1. Second one is it's monotonically decreasing and is convergent to 1. Third is that it's neither monotonically increasing or nor monotonically decreasing and convergent to 1. The fourth one is it's divergent. Okay, so let's first write down the three terms of the sequence. So let's calculate s1. S1 is, which is 0. So what is s2? S2 is 1 plus, which is 3 by 2, and s3 is 1 plus minus 1 to the power cube upon 3, so which is 2 by 3. So what we observe is this, that if you just write down S1, S2, S3, so 0, 3 by 2, 2 by 3. So from 1 to 2 it is increasing, and from 2 to 3 it is decreasing. So since from 0 to 3 by 2 it is increasing, we can say that monotonical decreasing is not possible because it is increasing at least at one point. And similarly, from when we move from 2 to 3, so it is decreasing, right? So it is decreasing, so we can say that it is this option monotonically increasing is also false, because from 2 to 3 it is decreasing, right? So A and B options are false. So now so these two options are only which remain. So and each of them are concerned with, one is convergent to 1 and divergent. So basically C and D options are for the convergence of the sequence. So let's try to find out whether this particular sequence is convergent or not. Okay, so let's write down the sequence again. Okay, so if we just take n tending to infinity, so what we observe that limit looks like it goes to 0. Okay, but we need a proof for it. So for that we use sandwich theorem. So let's write down the theorem first. So let an, bn, cn be three real sequences and we have an in between bn and cn, sorry, bn in between n and cn, and furthermore let limit an equals to limit n tending to infinity cn, and this is equals to some l. Okay, so say l belongs to real numbers, so this the limit exists and it is equals to l. So if this happens, then limit bn, so what will be the limit? It is just l, because this goes to l, this also goes to l, as n tends to infinity, bn goes to also l. So this is a very standard theorem, and we will try to apply this for this sequence Sn. Okay, so how will we apply it? So let Sn equals to bn, okay, which is 1 plus minus 1 to the power n upon n. Now we observe that minus 1 to the power n upon n, it is in between 1 by n and minus 1 by n. And why is that? Because minus 1 to the power n, it can take value plus 1 and minus 1 depending upon when n is even, when n is odd, right? So we observe this. So that means our sequence is bounded above by 1 plus 1 by n, because this is bounded above by 1 plus 1 by n, and it is bounded below by 1 minus 1 by n. Now what is the limit? 1 minus 1 by n, it is limit n tending to infinity 1 minus limit n tending to infinity 1 by n. Now limit n tending to infinity 1 by n is 0, so this is 1, and similarly 1 plus 1 by n, this limit is 1. So what we observe is that if you take this as an and this as cn in the sandwich theorem, so what we have is an, so our an goes to 1 and cn also goes to 1. So by sandwich theorem we have limit n tending to infinity 1 plus equals to 1. So basically our sequence Sn, that is convergent, and it is converging to 1. Okay, so this shows that our option C is correct, right? It is neither monotonically increasing or nor monotonically decreasing, but it is converging to 1.